I start, I'd like to acknowledge our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nico Strapo. And I would like to acknowledge also the organizers of this reunion. Reunion is one occasion wherein we try to rekindle the friendship we've had. Doesn't matter how many years ago. And we are going to reminisce also the past experiences you've had with us and our experiences with you as our students. Kanina nga po pinag-uusapan namin, during your time, there were more than 50 teachers. May get 50 among teachers. And our population ranges between 2 to 3,000 a year until eventually it was phased out. At natutuwa po kami sa tribute na binigay ng mga estudyante namin ngayon. Alam niyo, I was hesitant to come kasi sabi namin hindi na namin kamukha yung 25 years ago. We're trying to recall, we were a lot sexier and pogi during those days. Di ba? O parang hindi kayo informe. Ngayon, what is very important is that you're here with us today. Nakita namin kung nasaan ang
and to represent the whole class of 1980.
To all our great teachers, thank you for being such wonderful teachers, for not being afraid to treat students like real people. Thank you for showing acceptance. Thank you for approval and appreciation. These are all gifts that are so important to a student's development and that your students will always remember, just as they will also remember you. Words of encouragement, a little respect, simple gestures of kindness from a teacher promote the perfect climate for students to study, learn, and grow. Your attitude translates into a spirit of friendliness and goodwill towards others in an atmosphere of creative freedom, joy, and ease, and you foster this feeling in your classroom. We salute the good work you've done. We appreciate the people you are, and we thank you for your positive influence. You have passed on invaluable instruction and wisdom and created pleasurable moments associated with learning that will always be sweet memories. Thank you for answering the call to be teachers. Thank you for enduring impression you've made in the lives you have touched. Every community needs people like you. Your contributions are immeasurable. Your lessons are permanent. You improve our world. Teachers, for all the things you have done for us. Sana, numanot taman, etamo kaliwan in tunay tamong pibatan. Nanging tunay importante, pamikaliburan, tula ang pong pamakyaban. Sana this will remain a special memory to all of us.